what did you guys build today?
Well, I'm so glad you asked. This is the gaming PC inside the i5-13400F featuring the i5-13400F and RX 7700 XT.
Speaking of that 7700 XT, we decided to go all red to kind of make it match that nice AMD vibe. But to go over to the other specs, we have an ASRock Z790 Pro RS Wi-Fi DDR5. We have a 1TB PNY Gen 4 NVMe SSD, G-Skill Trident Z5 RGB 32 gigs DDR5 at 6000 MHz. A Zalman 600 watt 80 plus bronze. We got the V2 V240 ARGB with 3 V-True fans, so everything's ARGB, it all matches, it's very simple. We got it set to red right now, and yeah, it's a really awesome build that will be really good for your esports, obviously at very high settings like 1440p, even 4K if you really wanted to, and then your AAAs at 1080p or 1440p, probably higher settings.
And of course, we are running some sales for Black Friday. We have an early Black Friday sale coming up very soon, and then we have the main thing, the Black Friday sale on Black Friday, where you can get free shipping on computers like this. So definitely head on over to pcbros.tech, but anytime before that or after, use code TOZYBROS21 and check out to save 2% on your next purchase.